ways to get into a thumb stall, but for learning purposes, I find it easiest to start from a double rollout. Instead of opening the knife, you'll initiate a horizontal aerial from the safe handle. Once released, you'll need to reposition your hand so that your thumb is between the safe handle and spine of the blade. As the knife comes down on your thumb, you will need to allow your hand to give a little. This will ensure the knife stays on your thumb instead of flying off. Once the knife has lost most of its momentum, you'll just need to tilt your hand back to open the knife. The reverse behind the 8-ball is a great trick to combine with the thumb stall. To do it right, you'll need to curl your fingers during the aerial in order to be prepared for the reverse behind the 8-ball. You'll also want to initiate the reverse behind the 8-ball once you feel the knife rock slightly back on your thumb. This will ensure the knife has enough momentum to make it around your thumb to begin the trick. I recommend learning the thumb stall in small amounts. The trick puts a lot of stress on your thumb and can make it raw over time. Healing from an abrasion is not fun, so it's best to avoid it. Take a break and go on to flip another day.